squared to the third power. This is the power rule. What we do here, we multiply 2 times 3 will be 6. If I have x to the power of 3 to the power of 7, that would be x to the power of 21. So what's happening? I am multiplying the powers. So the rule here is xm to the power of n equals xm times n. So don't confuse the two rules with each other. xm times xn will be xm plus n. You're adding the powers since they have both of them the same base. But if I have xm to the power of n, I multiply the powers together. Let's do some examples. A. I need more. Ready. Letter A. 4x squared y z cubed over m to the power of -4. So I'm going to apply this -4 to every term in the first fraction I have here. The 4 here is to the power of 1. 1 times -4 is -4. So the first one would be 4 to the power of -4. X. X is to the power of 2. Times -4, that would be -8. Y is to the first power. 1 times -4 is -4. Z cubed to the power of -4 would be z -12. M is to the first power, so that's going to be 1 times -4, that would be m -4. I want all variables to be in the numerator. So I'm going to bring this -4 and -4 to the top. The only exception we're going to have is with the numbers. If we have a whole number to the negative power, we need to bring it down because it has to be positive. So I'm going to bring this number down, and this one, I'm going to take it up because in my direction it says bring everything to the numerator. 4 to the power of 4 is 256. Right? If I bring it down, that's going to become 4 to the 4th power. X, -8, y, -4, z, -12, and m is going to be to the 4th power positive because I'm bringing that -4 from the denominator to the numerator. And that would be my answer. Letter B. A squared, b squared, x cubed, m -2 to the -2 power. Same direction, I want everything to be in the numerator. So first thing, I'm going to apply this -2 to all my terms, then move things up. So that would be A, 2 times -2 is -4, square times -2 is -4, x cubed times -squared is x to the power of -6, m -2 times -2, that would become m +4. -2 times -2 is +4. Bring everything up, and that would be a -4, b -4, x is -6. Bring it up, it's going to become +6. m4 is going to become m -4. second part of this lesson, 53B. Volume conversions. We talked about converting length. If I have 6 feet, I want to change it to inches. I will do 6 feet times, here's my feet, here's my inches, and my conversion factor will be 12 inches to 1 foot. This is something to deal with distance. If I want to do the area, and let's say I have 6 feet squared, I need to change it to inches squared. We did 6 ft squared times, same conversion factor. The only thing, I'm going to square everything here, and the answer will be 12 squared inches squared. Today we're going to do the volume. 6 ft cubed, since we're talking about volume, I want to take it to inch cubed. 6 ft cubed times, same conversion factor. The only thing now, it's going to be to the power of 3 because we're talking about volume. So that would be 12 cubed inch cubed. Don't forget your units. Let's do some example. Letter C. Convert 45 inch cubed to centimeter cubed. Let's remember first, what is the relationship between 1 inch and the centimeter? 1 inch equals how many centimeters? 2.54. This is a unit, a key unit here to go from English system to the metric system. 1 inch equals 2.54. So I would start my work with 45 inch cubed times inch here. So the inch is going to go into the denominator inch, and centimeters right here. Cubed everything. 2.54 over 1. And here will be 45 times 2.54 cubed centimeter cubed. Letter D, and this is the last example for today. Convert 28 centimeter cubed to feet cubed. So we have 28 centimeter cubed to ft cubed. We need to have a plan to move from centimeter to feet. Since we're going from metric to English, we have to pass through 1 inch equals 2.54. So we're going to go from centimeter to inch, from inch to feet. Always have this plan to know where you're going. We're going to start with 28 centimeter cubed times, centimeter goes here, inch up, everything cubed. 1 inch is 2.54. Then we need to go from inches to feet. Inches here, so the inch goes down, ft here, and here's your cubed. We have 12 inches in a foot. So the final answer will be 28 times 1, because 1 times 1 is 1, 2.54 cubed, 12 cubed, ft cubed. So you multiply all the numerator together, all the denominators together.